pot not even want to share none in I plate. Good riddance. Good work. JCF, me give thanks. Now, as I'm telling you people, the tune that I'm played, I've been having it on repeat for probably about an hour and a half now because I am hoping that my people get a conscious awakening sooner or later. A shift of paradigm. Because here we have a young man, a 17-year-old. And look what this 17-year-old has done, families and friends. Again, something have to give. Something have to change in Jamaica. Because right now, a 17-year-old male has been charged. And this 17-year-old male has been charged with double murder. You hear what me say? 17-year-old charged with double murder. And this is in Penn Street, Kingston, 12. And he has been charged with 2 counts. Possession of prohibited weapon, unauthorized possession of ammunition, and the use of firearm to commit a felony following the incident in Kingston. This occurred July 28. This local 17-year-old youth dash with 2 man where could be him daddy, matter of fact him granddaddy, dead is 64-year-old Carly Lyons, otherwise called Jungle, and 62-year-old Trevor Collins, otherwise called Cow Age. Reports are Town Police are about 1:50 p.m. That's middle day, sun hot. Now deceased were 2 men were at a local bar when they were pounced upon, allegedly, by the now accused. The man opened fire on the senior citizens who were both hit. Because them youth, them a play a video game, them now miss. They both succumbed to their injuries at the hospital. The accused man was subsequently charged, pointed out, identified in a parade, and his court is being finalized. Now them no want give out him name because them want say him is a teen. But listen to me, the youths them a get wickeder than wickeder, if you know what I mean. In 2024, we no want see so much blood a run on the floor. 2 elders, you are guarantee Jungle and Cow Age, have picnic, have grand picnic. The 2 elders' life were snuffed out, and this local 17-year-old probably will get a 10 or 15 and they are road by him 35, 40. Imagine. Look at the life we're living, families and friends. Look at the life we are living. And speaking like I told you, of the theme that I was playing the tune, murderer. Them a murderer. And when we say murderer, I'm me, we. I'm a brother, I'm a sister, I'm an uncle, I'm a mother, I'm a daughter, I'm a auntie them. A them. Oh no, I done. I mean, I tell you, I say this is not fun. I mean, I call upon the people them. Like me doing on my last vlog. At 2024, we not take it no more. This one was identified. Him get draw up. Mother stop, hide, you wicked man son them. Make him know say him now go stay around here. Run them. Because JCF and JDF I try execute them. Them I go try and execute them, them now bring them in. because the courthouse them and the jail them are going to get too full. Because it seems like a peer criminal abroad in Jamaica. Imagine, you are going to force the government to actually use the death penalty. You are dash with your brother and your sister and your father at an alarming rate. Me can't believe Jamaicans have grown up to develop such self-hate, because that's the only thing that I could think of that caused my brothers and sisters to go at each other like this. 17-year-old, life done. You are going to 65-year-old, life done. 62-year-old, life done. R.I.P. to Carly Lyons and Trevor Collins. You are going to, you're not going to get no justice. Got 2 for 1, not even. This is why we have this constant killing and cycle of reprisal. Where are the parents of these children that are causing such crime? 2 murder charge of 17? What could be on this youth mind? Families and friends, may I ask you to talk to your children? When you see the youths them a rage, sometimes you just need to listen to them, because these men are out of control. Imagine, it appears we're raising pure feminine men. And when you have an emotional man that have the strength and have a toolie, imagine the destruction they cause on society. In